very important. Kasama din po sa ating kalagayan ngayon. Kaya ako...
Walang alam na sumama po sa atin dito mismo sa lansa.
Emosyon dito sa harap ng ating stage para maipakita.
Hindi po ako si Lisa Noel Pantoja. Mas gwapo. Kaya dahil hindi natin may place...
I have personally expressed that this is the most corrupt budget in the history of the Philippines. It's the most corrupt not because there are a lot of leakages in terms of money. It is the most corrupt because the priorities of this budget is so obvious. No? The priority is to finance programs and projects that would promote the interest of politicians.
Walang kabubusugan at hindi sila mapapag...